So first of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Avyan Arora. I am studying in class 8th in Grover School in Badot. My school is at Khatri Gali. Coming to my family background, there are five members in my family, including me. My mother, my sister, my father, and my grandmother, and me. And nowadays, I am doing my 8th class and learning spoken English. My hobbies are to do self study and riding a bicycle. So that's all about me. You can ask your questions.
What do you want to do?
I want to be a scientist.
Do you dare to speak English?
Yes, I dare to speak English.
Why do you want to be a scientist?
I want to be a scientist because it is my dream.
How many languages do you know?
I know three languages.
Which is your favorite one?
It is English
Okay, and why do you like English?
because it is very good to speak, and all person like get attraction by English.
Okay. Then could you again tell us about your family background?
Yeah.
Yes.
So there are five family members in my family, including me. There is one my mother, my father, my sister, and my grandmother, and me.
Okay, and what does your father do?
He is an advocate.
Okay. And what about your hobbies?
My hobbies are doing self study and riding a bicycle.
Okay. And are you fond of watching TV?
No, I'm not fond of watching TV.
Instead of watching TV, what do you like to prefer?
I am fond of playing mobile games.
Okay. Is there any mobile game you like to play most nowadays?
No,
Okay. And
I mostly play chess in mobile and as well indoor.
okay. So what kind of games do you like most? Indoor or outdoor?
I like both, but mostly outdoors.
Okay. And which is your favorite outdoor game?
Football.
Football.
Yeah,
Okay, that's nice. And why do you like football?
because just like that,
Okay. And what is your point of view about cricket?
cricket is also good. It is my second favorite game.
Okay. Let us talk about your career object.
Okay,
As you said, you want to be a scientist. What is the reason behind this?
I want to be a scientist because it is my dream, and I want to upgrade my uh, country.
That's nice.
Yeah,
So let's talk about your movies.
yeah,
Let's talk about movies. Do you have interest in watching movies?
yeah. I have very much interest.
And what kind of movies do you like most?
I like horror movies most.
And which is your favorite one?
It is 1921
And why do you like that movie?
because it is very horror, and I like it is a very horror and thriller also, and I like thriller movies also.
Do you really think ghosts exist?
No, I don't think ghosts exist
Why do you like horror movies?
because in that they usually uh, tell us about ghosts and spirits, and I like to know about them.
Okay, and how old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
Okay, and where do you
I live at Badot.
live? Okay, so what's your point of view about workout? Do you like that?
Yeah, I
Do you
like
perform that?
sometimes.
Okay. And let's talk about your interest in food. What kind of food do you like most?
I like homemade food most.
Can you cook?
Yeah, I can cook.
What can you cook?
I can cook about all things like uh, pulses and chapatis and vegetables.
It seems that you avoid fast food.
Yeah,
And what's the reason behind that?
because I don't like fast food that much.
Okay, so you mean to say that you are only fond of eating indoor food,
Yeah,
which is good for health.
sometimes I eat fast food, but I mostly I cook fast food at my home.
Okay, do you have any best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend.
Would you like to tell us about him?
Yes, I would like to tell you about him.
Please let us know.
His full name is Lakshya Agarwal, and he is my classmate. He is studying in a Grover School in 8th class, and nowadays he is taking his tuition and doing just 8th class, and his hobby is doing self study and playing games in mobile, and his about his career, he want to be a scientist.
Okay, so you both have good bonding because you both want to be scientists.
Yeah,
That's nice. Who inspired you to become a scientist?
my father.
That's nice. Then, why are you learning English?
Because I need to increase my communication
So,
skills.
do you think you can communicate now?
Yeah, I can communicate now.
Okay, so do you try to speak English at home as well?
Yeah, I try to speak English at home as well.
So, do you find any difficulty to express your views or your thoughts?
No, nowadays I'm just
Familiar with it.
familiar with it.
Okay, this was a nice talk. We finish it here.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks for watching.